Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You
Selamat datang kami ucapkan di kediaman calon mempelai wanita. Ini adalah ungkapan rasa penghormatan kami, rasa bahagia kami menanti kehadiran rombongan yang datang.
Breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime. Every day.
Saya telah menikahi anak kandung Bapak Fandi Wulanda dengan mahar seperangkat arak solar dan emas 4,26 tunai.
I love you more and more.
Aku serahkan mahar kepadamu. Terimalah dengan senang hati dan pergunakan untuk ibadah kepada Allah.
For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me.
Pada hari ini, Jumat tanggal 16 Desember 2019, saya, Ibu Sri Oscar berjanji dengan sesubuh hati bahwa saya akan mempergauli istri saya bernama Fandi Wulanda binti Haji Hikmat dengan baik.
I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. Oh, forever and ever for a lifetime. Forever. My soul found you and fell in love. Now I can't get you out of my mind. Your tears, your touch, your lips, your love, your laugh, your songs, your stories. Your heart, your arms, your lips, your laugh, your love, your songs, your stories. Our tears, our prayers, our laugh, our love, our smiles, our songs, our stories. They're ours for a lifetime. I'll love you, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine for a lifetime. It's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say my name. I know we've waited and we've prayed. Oh darling, say my name. I know we've waited